just one little Gabby.
Sure. Hey guys, welcome to Meg's house, and in today's video we are getting ready to go see Gabby's Dollhouse, and I'm so super excited about it. A friend of ours, my BFF Shauna, she got us tickets to go see the movie, so I just figured why not make it a whole shebang, you know? And so we have outfits, and I'm gonna create some secret snack boxes to take into the movies. Shh, don't tell anybody. And I'm super excited about it because it's gonna be 5 kids in total. So I plan to make 5 snack boxes. So I'm currently on the way to Trader Joe's to go get some items that we can put inside of it. I saw online somebody use the nail organizers. I think it's called a grid organizer to put little items in there. So that's what I plan on doing. So let's go shopping. Of course, movie nights mean snacks, but I had a plan. Instead of spending a fortune in the theater, I wanted to make our own Gabby-inspired snack boxes. That meant I was looking for color along with healthy treats. All right, so earlier we went to Trader Joe's, and now we are about to head to Dollar Tree because I need containers to put the actual goodies in. And oh, I wonder if I can find some Gabby-Dollhouse stuff there. I'm sure I can. The only thing is, now that I think about it, the snacks I got was originally for a box that had at least 12 to 20 something little slots in it, but the one at Dollar Tree doesn't look like it, so I just think I have way too many snacks for what I'm trying to do. So we're gonna have to see how to make it work. But I'm still excited, okay? The hope has not been lost. So let's go. Ooh, what they do, guys? Markers. Maybe I can draw something. Let me get these markers. Okay. Still not seeing it. Maybe I need to look like in the, I don't even know where to go. School supplies. I don't necessarily feel like this right either though. Ooh, Lord, they got all kinds of stuff. Oh, let's look for the Gabby-Dollhouse stuff over here. Let's see. Oh no, see, they got trolls, all the Disney people. I did find one Gabby. Look, that's just one little Gabby. Maybe. Oh, I was looking for some stickers. I'm gonna still take it. It took me 30 minutes to find these toolbox snack boxes in Dollar Tree. But when I say I was determined, okay, I was not letting it go until I walked out of there with those snack boxes. So I feel so fulfilled in my heart. All right, now we just have to secretly hide it from the kids. I don't know how that's gonna go because they already been trying to get into the Trader Joe's bags. Oh, hello. What? It is the next morning, guys, and I was so tired. I just completely crashed last night. So that means I really got to make some things happen on today. My son, he's washing the dishes so that I can wash out those tool boxes, and then I'm going to just have to come and pack it when I get off of work today. So that'll be later. Clearly, the kids are up and popping this morning.
Get ready, get ready, get ready, ready. I get ready, get ready, get ready, ready. I said, girl, don't you do that. I said, girl, don't you. This one like that.
They do have to earn one more sticker to be able to go to the movie. And I don't know, y'all. It's going kind of rough this morning. So I'm trying to motivate them so that they can go. And they don't have to go to Grandma's house instead. And I'll be the only one that go to Gabby-Dollhouse. What is it?
This doesn't look like a star.
What? The last one? Or this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Let's fix that one. Did we get a star this morning?
I don't know.
Do you think you earned one?
Yeah.
We're going to barely give your little sister a star because she was cutting up. Did you get all your stars, son?
Yeah.
So what does that mean for you?
I go to football game.
Exactly. Did you earn your stars?
Yes.
So what does that mean for you?
Going to Gabby-Dollhouse movie.
Are you excited?
Yeah!
What you gonna do there?
Popcorn.
You gonna eat popcorn? What if they don't have popcorn?
It's going to be here.
Hey guys, guess who I have? Genevieve. Are you ready for today?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right.
That's what we do today.
Yeah, what are we doing today?
We're going to the new Gabby-Dollhouse movie.
Exactly. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you know what your outfit is gonna look like?
No.
You do not? We're on the way to pick up her sister so that we can all get ready. And I still gotta make the surprise. What?
I heard that. Surprise.
No, you didn't hear me, girl.
That's my
Mm-mm. What is it?
It's Gabby-Doll, and this is Gabby-Dollhouse, and this is Mara, and this is Cupcake. We have this, and we don't know what it is yet, but we're gonna see.
Right here. Hold on, right here. Pull it out.
This is mine.
Pull it out, girl.
And I got us.
This might be mama stuff. Y'all got the full on stuff. I just got some patty ears. Yeah, this is for mommy.
There's 3 bracelets. Can we all get one?
Let's see what's in your bag before you taking stuff in mine.
There's 3 bracelets, Mama.
I can't have a Gabby bracelet.
You can. We all can have.
Oh, yes, we got the tights that go with it.
And some cat ears. And no bracelets.
Exactly. Oh, okay. Well, let me see what you have, Gabby. You have to stand up. Let's see.
Dress. I got.
Am I starting to look like Gabby?
I think I like that.
A pinch on the left and a pinch on the right.
Gabby.
Something there. Hold on tight. We have a dress with some tights. What's this dress?
Look at this.
Yes. You see, we have the sunglasses.
We got
the ears. Let's see.
Look, I got pants.
What do you have? Oh, look,
Yeah.
Gabby, you even have some earrings.
Yeah. And
You see that? You like that? Is that a little purse, girl?
Wait. Nothing in there but this. Okay, whatever, fine.
Okay, don't just be throwing stuff on the floor.
No, my God. Oh my God. Since my hair went up, this is what happened.
Well, what happened?
My hair is all over my
It
head.
is not all over. It's beautiful. It's long. Let's see. Nah. Let's put some oil in it so it don't get all. Man, ooh, ooh, what is going on? Genevieve, turn your tail around.
I want a sticker. I want a big sticker.
All right. Come see yourself in the mirror.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Genevieve, did you see yourself before? Are you telling a fib?
I ran fast over there.
Yeah. What you think?
Oh my God, I love it. I love it too.
You love it too? All right, y'all. We got to get out of here. Let's go.
Yeah. Yes!
Oh, okay, Gabby. What did you add?
My glasses, my ears, my ring, and my
Wait, look.
bracelet.
Turn your ring this way. There you go.
My ring and my bracelet and my dress.
Oh, you ready?
Yes!
All right, let's go, girl.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Let's go, girls!
All right, come on. Y'all ready? Come on. Let's go. You want to? Okay. Wait. Come on. This don't make no sense. God dog. Come on, Jenny. Come on. Don't make any sense at all. see children crossing the street. Walking feet, girls.
Why is it
Here
small?
you go. I got it, Faith. I got it. Thank you. Hello, Shana. I love it. Let me get Shana now.
And she was just like,
How to do it? Ooh, okay. Woo, we made it. You got it, Gabby? Ooh, slow down. Wait, you have to stay right here. This is an adventure.
I can see the world.
It is very bright. Whoa, whoa.
Down here.
Anybody need the potty? We're good. You here, Gabby? You here? Oh, whoa. All right, you got to turn, Gabby. Come on.
all right, Gabby,
Come on.
we're going to follow you. Come
Go. Go. Ah! Okay. E for elephant. Wait, how about a grown-up go in front? Okay. Where are you, Gabby? E for elephant. Here's the E. Okay.
I want Gabby.
I don't know who's
For
who.
70 years, we've known that anything is possible.
Ooh, marshmallows. Yeah, that's a
Running, huh? Let's go ahead and start rinsing our faces. All right, girls. How was the movie?
good.
What was the best part?
The end.
The end?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, well, that's a wrap for our video here. Tell them good night, guys.